Now in this video we are going to take up one more problem on projections of points. It is a combination of quadrants. Problem reads as a point 30 mm above xy line is the front view of two points capital A and capital B. The top view of A is 40 mm behind VP and the top view of B is 45 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the points and state the quadrant in which the points are situated. So when we talk about this, he says the front view of 2 points A and B, 30 mm above xy line. So if you are considering that 30 mm above xy, if this is the xy line what we are talking about, so that means you have I will consider this as the xy line, because both are at the intersection of both vertical plane and as well as the horizontal plane. Is above xy line. So from here you measure for 30 mm above xy line is the front view of 2 points. So it is A dash and B dash. So obviously it should be on VP. The top view of A is 40 mm behind VP. Where exactly we will going to get the behind VP? When you look from the front view, so that means I am looking from front view now. When you look from the front view, what happens? I will be able to see the distance above HP. So that is the above xy line. And the top view of A is 40 mm behind VP. Behind VP is always in the second quadrant, because in the second quadrant it will be behind VP. So that is the reason why. So actually this is the one which we are talking about. It is second quadrant. Now, so when you look from the top view, you can see the distance. When you look from the top view, you can see the distance behind VP and the top view of B. The top view of B here. When you look from the top view here, this is the top view of B. So it is in front of VP. In front of VP, where you are going to get? You are going to get it in the first quadrant. You can say this is first. Okay. So this is the first quadrant. So 45 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections and state the quadrant in which the points are located. So the distance in front of VP, which is 45 mm, is seen in the horizontal plane, and the distance behind VP, which is 40 mm, is also seen in the horizontal plane. So naturally, when you rotate this horizontal plane by 90 degree here, like this, what happens to this horizontal plane? It will be rotated like this in the upward direction. So as we see that, you can see here, this A dash, B dash will be on above xy line. This A will go to the above xy line because it is in the second quadrant, and this horizontal plane, as this is rotated upwards, so this will going to come down, so the B will come below xy line. So you can see here. So draw the projections. That's what we have shown here, and state the quadrant in which the points are. State the quadrants in which the points are situated. So the quadrants are here. The front view and the top view of A both are above xy line. So that condition is satisfied only in the second quadrant. As we rotate the horizontal plane above, the first front view of A dash is already on above xy line, and the top view of A will also comes above xy line. Since the projection is done in the second quadrant, obviously the point A lies in second quadrant. As we rotate the point B, that is the horizontal plane, by downwards direction, because it is in the first quadrant by convention, we rotate this downwards. So then naturally what happens? The front view of the point B is above xy line and the top view of B will be below xy line. So this condition will going to be appearing in the first quadrant as VP is being fixed. So always the front view is above xy line here, and this HP will be one which is rotated down. So naturally the top view of B will be rotated below xy line. So this is how you will be able to analyze this drawing. So in the second quadrant, then in the point B, the front view is above xy line and the top view is below xy line. Therefore, we can say that point B lies in first quadrant. So, when you want to show this, how to draw by using the sketchbook, first we are going to draw the XY line, and as we are not given any distance with respect to the profile plane, so therefore the profile plane will not come into the picture. So then draw a vertical projector here, then you measure the distance from XY line to this 30 mm, because it is 30 mm above XY line is a front view of 2 points A and B. So from here you measure 30 mm and mark this as A dash and B dash, because it is 2 points of the front view of 2 points A and B. Then the top view of A is 40 mm behind VP. So from XY line you measure 40 mm behind VP will always comes above XY line in the second quadrant. So from here you measure 40 mm and mark that point as A, and the top view of B is 45 mm in front of VP. So from XY line you measure the distance of 45 mm and you mark a dot and you name it as B. Show the dimensions of 30, 40 and 45. And then state the quadrant in which the points are situated. The answers are: the point capital A has the front view and top view is above XY line. Therefore, the point A lies in second quadrant. The front view is above XY line and the top view of B is below XY line. Therefore, the point B lies in first quadrant. So A is in second quadrant, B is in first quadrant. So this is how we can be able to analyze this combination of quadrants by using 3 dimension and also by using the orthographic projection. This is how you will be able to get the answer. Thank you.